Hi, I'm attorney Nicole Merrill. I've been an attorney since 2008 when I graduated from Drake University in Des Moines. I also did my undergraduate degree at Drake University. I grew up in Mitchellville, Iowa, small town just east of Des Moines, graduated from Southeast Polk High School. I now live in Ankeny with my 2 kiddos and our many pets. I really enjoy cooking, doing all outside activities, riding my bike, walking, running, playing with my kids. We also really enjoy watching all things sports, especially football. So when I went to law school, I always knew that I wanted to help people, and I really enjoy injury law because it gives me the opportunity to do just that. I make sure people's rights are protected and they know what they're entitled to. We have amazing support staff to help if we're not available for some reason. We each have our own paralegals that are familiar with the cases and happy to answer any questions they can, but they also know when they need to set up a time for you to talk with the attorney when we're available. We really care about each and every one of our clients, and we are willing to advocate for them as much as we can. We also are very hands-on with our clients. We do the work on our cases ourselves and are available to our clients when they need us. People usually walk into our offices not really knowing what to expect. They haven't been through the legal process before, and we let them know that we're there to look out for them. I often tell people that it's like playing a game where the other side knows all the rules and you don't. Putting your clients first is important because they're the ones that we're doing this for. That's who we're there for. At the end of the day, what happens with a case, I walk home to my family, but my client, it has a huge impact on them and their lives going forward. Oftentimes, the insurance companies aren't doing what they're supposed to. They're not getting medical care they need. They're not getting paid while they're off work. And just a week or two of not getting paid for our clients could mean the difference between losing their home, losing their car. And so there have been many cases where we're able to get those payments going, and that has a huge impact on people's lives. So I've had a few clients that have come over to us from other firms, and what they say the most is they like that they're able to reach us, that when they have questions about their case, we're there. If they need to talk to me on the phone, they get to talk to me, not someone else in our office. I'm handling all of the cases myself and I'm the primary point person for them to talk to. I try to make sure that each and every client knows that I'm there as an advocate for them. I'm there to protect them and make sure that their interests are being looked out for. I'm there if they have questions or concerns, or if they're just frustrated with the process and need somebody to talk to.